6:43 here on this Monday across the valley. Showers and storms could pop up today around the area, kind of like yesterday, but maybe a little more active. So kind of watch to see if showers or storms could erupt and kind of come in from east to west. Maybe a little bit of rain left over on Tuesday, although it's possible that a lot of the rain may be pushed farther north on Tuesday and Wednesday, which if that happens could make us a little hotter as temperatures will still easily be in the 90s, I think, tomorrow and Wednesday most everywhere. The First 1-5 Doppler network is mainly dry now. We were tracking a few showers in Wilsey County earlier in the hour, but those have mostly faded away. If you look, there's still a couple of little showers offshore, but the rain we were tracking right there coming onshore has completely faded away. So could reform again this afternoon. About a 50% chance for rain today. And again, that means about half the valley could see some rain. It could start to drop tomorrow and Wednesday. In fact, some of the computer models say it may even shrink more than that, and that could allow temperatures to get hotter. So Tuesday and Wednesday's rain chances, a little up in the air. Don't get too excited about them yet. We'll have to wait and see. But the main reason for all this, decrease maybe tomorrow and the increase today is a little weak disturbance in the Gulf. The Hurricane Center is still tracking this area as a 10% chance of development, which is very much on the low end. But what is with this disturbance is some showers and storms around it, but it's more than likely whatever little weak center there is probably going to go a little bit farther north of the valley. So if it passes by to the north, usually that means the circulation comes back off the land on the south side and then gives us less rain as it moves inland. So that's why tomorrow and Wednesday may start to dry out more. 73 in Weslaco, 76 in Brownsville, and today your First 1-5 forecast, we go into the 80s by 10 a.m. Could hit 90 or hotter in some areas this afternoon, especially in Starr County and western Hidalgo County. But if you do get caught in the clouds building up and some rain, that may push temperatures down into the 80s for the majority of the day. And I think the best rain chance by midday and early this afternoon and fading away closer to about 7 p.m. or sunset. Now, Future Track does show some scattered showers around the area this afternoon and a few thunderstorms. Doesn't show a lot of rain. This might be a little underdone, but I think it does show rain, but maybe a little more should be on the map. And then tonight, we're mainly dry and partly to mostly cloudy with a very small shower chance. And notice though, Future Track also shows, I put the little icon on there, but it shows barely any rain tomorrow because, again, there's still a chance that a lot of the rain may end up being pushed to the north tomorrow and we end up with lower rain chances. But highs today, 80s to lower 90s in many areas. Again, it kind of depends on if you're stuck in more clouds and a shower or storm passes by. I think a lot of places could hit 90 or so and then maybe fall back into the 80s if you get some rain, but farther to the west where the rain is a little less likely or likely to reach later in the day, Starr County could easily be in the 90s. So First 1-5 AccuWeather forecast today, near 90 today, mostly cloudy overall. I think there will be some sun this morning, but like the last couple of days, the clouds start to build up more and more by afternoon and become a little cloudier. So partly cloudy this morning, mostly cloudy this afternoon, and a shower or storm, and then down to 75 tonight. And your First 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast, highs stay mainly in the 90s the next 7 days. It could get a little hotter Tuesday and Wednesday. Some of the computer models actually say it may be hotter than that on Tuesday, so we'll wait and see. But 90s, a good bet with a chance of rain, at least a small chance every day after today. But I think we'll probably by later in the week, by Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we're talking about maybe 20% chance for rain, which is maybe a little shower here and there in the afternoon each day, and highs drop off a tiny bit toward the weekend, which is the final weekend of summer, by the way. We'll keep tracking your First 1-5 forecast here on Channel 5 News this morning.